how to receive email messages for your current email address through Google Workspace Gmail account. Let's say your business has already created emails and you've been getting your email messages through your web hosting provider and so on. Now you've got Google Workspace. You want to receive and manage your email for your domain using Gmail for Workspace. So how do you do that? All you need to do is log in to Google Workspace admin console. It is admin.google.com. Once you log in using your credentials, under directory, you have users. Select the user. Let's press on users. So you may have different users here, but let's select the main admin. Let's select add alternative emails. And here, this is where you add your current email address so that you can continue receiving emails through Google Workspace Gmail. Let's save changes. And now any messages sent to your previous email address can be accessed through your Gmail inbox for Google Workspace.